Coffee County traffic, Cessna 58 Yankee, left base 18 short approach, Coffee County.
900 Mike goes.
Yeah, 30 degrees on flap.
Yep.
Okay.
I may bring it out on final because of the gust, but I wanted to make sure I could get in.
Final is clear. Just get it lined up. Woo! Okay.
60 at 13. Visibility 10. Clear below 12.
Coffee County traffic, Cessna 58 Yankee, short approach 18, Coffee County.
Okay, final is clear.
Thank you.
Very nice. That's okay.
Coffee County traffic, Cessna 58 Yankee, left base, simulated engine failure, Coffee County.
There we go.
So in this event, we want to get down, but I think I have the field made, so usually I probably wouldn't put in flaps so early, right?
Right, but you gotta lose altitude.
Full flaps, because I've got the field made. I'm too chicken to slip in a turn. I've seen it done, but
Yep. Oh, what's your airspeed?
I got it. Am I scaring you? Sorry.
You're fine. I just looked at the airspeed go close to 60 and I just wanted to point out. Ooh. Very good. Ooh. Okay, you get it's a safe landing.
Coffee County traffic, 58 Yankees, gonna do simulated engine out, turning left base 18, Coffee County.
Just gently pull it out. There we go.
Is that better?
Yep.
New traffic, November 9er, 09 Hotel Charlie, departing the west, near traffic.
Final?
Yep. Final clear.
Field is made. 70 knots. As soon as I turned into this wind, I gotta drop the nose. That's what happened last time.
Right.
Turned into the wind and all of a sudden, speed fell off.
steady. There we go.
Orange traffic, 990 uniforms left base.
Nice.
Make sure I'm full flaps. Speed came up quite a bit. A little gusty. Cool, I'll take that.
Yep, that's a pretty good job.